You don't have to wait for your manifestation. Yes, you heard it right. Some of you are holding this phone and watching this video, hoping that your manifestation will happen. Well, that is not bad though, but what I am going to share with you will open your eyes to how you can manifest instantly. If you are on a manifesting journey, you might have heard other people tell you that they have been waiting for it to manifest for the past few months. For them, waiting is the major reason that is pushing their desires away. As you are waiting, you are telling yourself that you do not want it now. You can wait for it to happen. If you say you have to wait for it to manifest for months, then you are putting a limitation on yourself, stopping it from happening now. As we are told, manifestation takes the path of least resistance and happens within the shortest time possible. The fact that you are waiting for it is a sure sign that you are not living at the end of your desires. Having your desire means that you already have what you desire in your imagination. When you close your eyes, you can see it, you can access it, you can experience it. If that happens, your heart no longer wants that badly, and you don't feel a lack of it. Instead, you feel complete. You have this knowingness that cannot be described in words, and you get what you desire. Are you getting it? When was the last time you affirmed or visualized intensely? Oh, you didn't do it. You didn't saturate your mind with the idea of having it. Well, then why are you expecting it to manifest? After your last affirmation session, did you feel like you had to wait some time in order for it to manifest? If you felt like that, then you are doing it wrong. Affirmations and visualization should bring you to a place of having it internally. You must feel joy of having it. You must get excited instead of how long it is going to take. When you convince yourself or when you live to the end, it happens instantly. You can watch other videos, read success stories, but everything will lead you to do this. You have to understand that you have to give it to yourself in your imagination first, then it can be experienced in your reality. In my journey, I have seen that discipline and persistence are two such qualities that are essential to achieve anything you desire. Are you disciplined enough to think in the favor of your desires? Are you the one that believes in the possibility of achieving your desires? Or are you the one that is stuck on a single possibility that reality is just like this, it will always be like this, nothing will change, and whatnot? Decide who you are today and embody the personality of the one you want. Seek and you shall find. The Creator is limitless, having an endless number of possibilities. It is living through you and everyone around you, observing and making it happen. You don't know where the Creator is residing in you. Some say it is your subconscious mind, some say it is your heart, but I believe it is everywhere. Just like we had to convince our parents to buy us that toy in our childhood, we now have to convince our Creator to let us have what we desire. And since it is living through us, we have to convince ourselves. So, how was it? Did you find it amazing? I felt really satisfied after making this video. Anyways, subscribe for more such golden nuggets. I will meet you tomorrow at the same place at the same time. Happy manifesting.